Good morning, it's the 25th of June 2010 and this is your daily outlook. We see risk aversion as the debt crisis intensifies. Markets traded with a risk-averse tone yesterday. The dollar and the yen has strengthened across the board. Equities declined by 1.5%. Gold dollar traded $20 higher, back to $1,249 an ounce, and crude oil drops $1.50 to $75.30 per barrel. Risk aversion was rekindled as a series of bad economic data was released in the US, along with the FOMC statement on Wednesday saying that the European crisis may impact on US and global economic growth. Durable goods fell by 1.1% in May, which disappointed. However, we did have a pleasant surprise in jobless claims, as it dropped to 457,000. Canadian Finance Minister Flaherty said ahead of the G20 summit this weekend that a global bank tax is unnecessary, as banks are heavily taxed already. He also said that a balance between growth and fiscal consolidation is needed and care must be taken not to choke off growth. Dollar yen has been tracking the US yields again as of late and has traded down to 89.22 as US yields decline on growth concerns. In Europe yesterday, we saw another wave of concerns over the Greek debt crisis as Greek credit default swaps hit a record high of 958 base points and the Greek-German bond yield spread widened to 802 base points. Sentiment surrounding Greek debt is extremely low, causing funding issues for the Greek government and a negative debt spiral pushing ahead. From the financial calendar, we had an increase in industrial new orders by 0.9%, just missing expectations. Analysts feel that funds will continue to flow out of the Eurozone, keeping the exchange rate depressed at those levels. Some analysts are even calling for a 1.10 euro-dollar exchange rate. Currencies to watch out for: the euro-dollar and dollar-yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 122.95, with a preference to enter into long positions at 123.05. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 89.70, with a preference to enter in short positions at 89.65. Today's calendar and market movers: US GDP for Q1 is expected at 3%, and US Michigan final for June is expected at 75.5. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed negative yesterday, with the SP 500 down by 1.68% and the Dow down by minus 1.41%. European bourses were negative yesterday, with the FTSE down 1.51%, the DAX at minus 1.44% and the CAC closing down 2.37%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.92% and the Hang Seng down 0.60%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.